I just found a sharp update right now. Gram token. The Gram network is giving out Gram token through mining. You can easily mine your Gram token and you're going to sell it instantly. You can be able to sell and receive Gram tokens instantly inside this app. And you should know that Gram is being listed in the Q4 session in 2026. So this is a great opportunity for you to mine these grams for free, and you can easily sell it out. I'm going to be explaining everything right here in this video, how you can also mine and sell this right now. I have about 20 grams right here and I can easily sell it through my wallet right here. So this is my max right here. I can easily sell out these 20 grams. Before I continue with this update, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe in this YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I drop a new video. My name is Cosmos the Crypto Priest. I bring you updates on crypto, Web3, AI job, anything that concerns making money online. In today's video, I got you with the Gram network. Now this Gram network, the link of this site will be right there on our Telegram group, and the link of our Telegram group will be right there on the description of this video. So once you get the link of this airdrop, you're going to register through your Telegram. So once you copy the link, it's going to take you to Telegram. Now Telegram has all your details, so you really don't need any registering your name or inputting your email or whatever. So you are being registered instantly. Now once you register, you're going to get to a page that looks like this, where you can easily click on the start mining section for you to start mining your grams instantly. But here is what you need to know: this mining of gram is really slow. It isn't that easy. But you can just click on it and come back maybe in the next 50 minutes for you to check out whether it have mined some gram. So it's really not that easy unless you have already boosted your gram mining speed. Okay, now another way for you to earn your gram is through performance taxes. This is how I got about 20 grams. Once you register, you're going to be given 10 grams instantly in your wallet. If you are using my referral link, that is your referral bonus. So you can go ahead and start earning your gram. So how I mostly earn my gram is through performance taxes. Now what you should do is to simply go to this tax section right here and go ahead and join them on their X, like their videos, follow them on YouTube, like their videos, comment on their videos. So the more you do that, the more they give you this gram. So as you can see, Bit wallet join, they're going to give you 0.10 gram right here. They're going to give you 0.20 gram in the YouTube for you to subscribe in their YouTube. So that is how easy it is for you to earn grams using taxes. But right here, like I said, you can easily earn gram also through mining. So the more you mine, the more you earn gram. Now another way for you to earn this gram is through inviting friends. So whenever you invite friends, you're going to be seeing your grams right here depending on your team membership. Now this is a great opportunity for us to mine this gram using the Gram network. I don't really want you guys to miss this opportunity, and whenever you feel like selling, you can go ahead and join them on their Telegram group. A lot of people right there on Telegram, on their Telegram channel and group, are really selling and buying their grams. So what you're going to do is, whenever you feel like selling out your grams, you can go ahead and join them on the Telegram group. You're going to see maybe 1 or 2 persons that are willing to to sell out their gram in dollars. What you're going to do is to go to this wallet section right here and select the amount of gram that you wanted to sell. Maybe if you want to sell about 20 grams right here, you can go ahead and click on 20 grams. Go ahead and copy the person's receipts. Now this person's receipts is what you're going to insert here. Let me show you what this receipt looks like. This recipient looks like. So this is the your ID address. So what you're going to do is to go ahead and tell the person to send their recipient ID. Now this is what the recipient ID means. This is your ID. It can be in form of number and you can actually scan it right here. So once you get their ID, simply go ahead and copy it right here. So this is my ID, for instance. I can go ahead and copy it right here. So I can use it. Go ahead and copy it right here, and I can confirm send. So I can easily send this gram, and the minimum that you can actually send is 100 gram. So make sure that you go ahead and accumulate as much as gram as you can accumulate right here in this side. Don't take this opportunity for granted, because they are going to be listing out. You can be able to sell this gram on exchanges, on your wallets, whatever. during the Q4 session of 2026. So this is what I have for you guys today. Go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and try it out. If you have any question, go ahead and drop it right there on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. Click on all in the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to like this video that you're watching right now. See you guys in the next video.